Today I am going to show you how to add welcome card in your Discord server. See this server, they have a ARM welcome message, a welcome card, and also they have a welcome message and left message. So today I am showing you how to add this. So first of all, go to me6 me6.xyz. If you didn't add me6 bot, then first add them in your Discord, then go to dashboard. Wait. Now go to welcome. Send a message when a user joins the server. Write this. Now welcome message channel. So we need to create a welcome message channel. So in text channel we'll create a welcome get channel. Set this permissions to only view channel, all is cross except only view channels, and read message story. Now go to me6, select this channel, welcome, text message or embed. I choose embed. No, I choose text channel. Now use this is your custom text. I choose hey @user, welcome to server, I hope you won't break any rules, stay happy. Now send a welcome card. Write this. I can customize it because to customize it we need to upgrade premium. Now send a private message to a new user. I just copy it and paste it, and I will add a emoji like this, and also here I will add a emoji this. Now I send a welcome card when user joins the server. Send a welcome card. Get a role to users. In previous video we add a role to users using arcade bot, so I won't add it now. Send a message when a user leaves the server. Write goodbye message channel. It's #general. In general a goodbye message will come. Now a customized text, I will add this. Add the user, just leave our server. And add a sad emoji such as this. Okay, now save it. It's all set. Save it now. Okay, now test is it working or not. First invite a new, we need to join, so I will use my another account to join this channel. Here I got invitation, test server, join. Now see that in welcome channel I got a arm welcome message and welcome card, and also I have got a direct message. Now if we leave this channel, then a leave message will appear here that just leave our test server. So it's working. Thanks for watching this video.